Are those snorkels for show? Okay. Alright, everybody made it through there. Only casualty was my winch. I'm not sure. I guess that was too much of a pull for it. It beep beep beeped and blew the fuse. Take it out of Hawaii. What do we got here going on now? I don't know. Can I get through here? Maybe. I can get through there, and this is why I put the hand guards on. Yeah, Chris made a trail. Zach has put his helmet on so he don't get whipped in the face again. Nice to see everybody with the Rob Farrow ATV shirts on today.
For me again?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, we got a little bit of wide open here. I don't want to go too fast to smack a rock, because there's a few of those around. That one right there, there. I get to Moraine Falls there and see if I can find the fuse. Should be right on the main line of the winch. Big rocks, big rocks. Okay, it's really open up now. Then I think it closes right back in again, if I remember. Or this could be the other trail. I think we go that way. This should take us down to the creek again, which should be almost non-existent. Rock in the grass. Oh my. What the heck happened here? Wow. Chris playing with his damn siren again. I don't see any creek. Chris lead me the wrong way.
You're going the wrong way.
Did you lead me the wrong way? You led me astray. led me astray. And this didn't seem quite right. Okay, it looks like maybe this one here. Perhaps. I can't remember this little hill here. Big rock. Holy moly. Oh. Smacking everything in sight. I just missed a turn. Oh, so we gotta go the other way.
Yeah.
I lost my track when I got whacked there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Back out. I was following the track, but I lost my track when the GPS got hit by the tree. So we gotta go back out the other way. Hey, the big 90-degree turn. We should have gone this way. That's those two rocks. Remember that. Oh my goodness. This is better. That's right, now we get grown in a bit more again. We'll figure this out yet. Oh, jeez. Sucking in bugs. Well, as long as I'm going the right way now. I don't know. I've only been through this trail once before. And I lost my axe. Shit. Okay. Tree popped off my hatchet and my thing. Didn't even notice. I'm falling apart today. I'm falling apart today. Alright, somewhere along the line, a branch just caught this and flipped this down to my footwell, and my hatchet went flying away. So if you drive this trail, you might find a hatchet sometime. I'm not going looking for it. I'm going to continue on along here. Jump for the rocks. I gotta cut any more trees, everybody else will have to do it, that's all. Having a rough day, having a rough day. Still fun though. don't see any moose back here. There's not even any moose droppings or prints or anything. It's like a mooseless area. It's useless. Thinking I don't have a winch, I don't have a hatchet, so I guess I just gotta smash through everything. I can't remember how far this creek was. Gotta be getting near it. I don't remember it being this far. Tree. What do we got here? 2 trees. Big rocks. We're gonna knock that rock down. Gotta take that home with them. Wow. Kinds of good stuff. I sure hope this is the trail. That don't work. Why my GPS isn't showing the track anymore. It didn't like getting hit, I guess. Going downhill, there's an opening here. Ah, yeah, okay. That trail should go that way too. Yeah, okay, I think this is it. We're going the right way. Alright, that creek should be right up here. I know I keep saying that. Oh boy. That don't work. Probably could have gone to that side. Would have been better. There you go. Crunch her down. Okay, so this looks like the creek. Oh yeah. steep hill. And deeper than I thought it would be. Wow. Should have gone over there. Shallower. Holy God. Oh, I think I got the clutch wet. I said over there. You got the clutch wet. Are those snorkels for show? Okay. They're shallower over here, eh? I guess Chris gonna have to pull you too. Chris! Oh, we're not doing too well today.
No.
My clutch got wet too. I didn't think it'd be this deep here. There's got to be a beaver dam or something. It's usually like this deep. Wow. Gotta be a beaver dam here. I don't know if he's gonna make it. XMR should make it no problem. Yep. That was a little deeper than I thought. Wow. I hope it goes good. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Another wet clutch. It's not bad, 3 out of 6. Jeez. My mistake, my bad. Oopsie, oopsie. Yep.
Coming out of the exhaust pipe.
Well, that escalated quickly. 3 out of 6.
No blood. Okay, check this out. That clamp on the exhaust for the clutch case is not even tight. Like, no wonder that leaked. Jeez. I forgot to check that one. That I don't know who put that clamp on or where it comes from, but all the money you pay for PDI and freight and all that, and nobody checks anything. Yeah.
Alright, I broke my own rule. I didn't check that clamp. That clamp is loose, as you can see. And that's where the water was going in, filling the clutch up. There's only a couple inches in there, but it's enough to wet the belt. So, the intake is up here for the clutch case. The intake for the air is up here. The exhaust is right about here, and the water wasn't that deep, but that clamp is way down here. So let's see if I can get this going, and I'll have to clean the clutches out when I get home. Ah yeah, it's dry. Dry like nothing. Okay, now we can go see the falls. That was an unexpected crossing. That was my fault. Shit. I take the blame on that one. I knew there was a beaver dam down there, and sure enough, I walked down, there was one there. But the clamp on the exhaust, that wasn't my fault. Although I should have checked it. Damn it. But so should have, halfway should have checked it. Manufacturer should have checked it. Whoever put that together should have checked it. So she's working all right though. I'll just have to clean her out when I get home. Give me a chance. I haven't seen the clutches yet anyways. Somewhere along here we have to turn left, I believe. Possibly? Maybe? I think it's a well-trod road though. Woo, trees. Yeah. I think this is it here. Whoop, 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 whoop. Gonna miss the corner. Okay. Well, this road, and we come out on another little road, and then we turn onto another little road, and then we'll be at the falls. Then I can have something to eat and everybody can relax. Ay. Rock. I want to hit one of those. Bam. The shocks suck those trees up pretty good. I'm surprised. The old XMR, you're just bouncing. The side-by-side should fit through there. Maybe. Oh, tree down over here. I don't know. A big tree. Daryl's is the tallest, so I don't think he's going to fit. gonna have to cut that one. Alright, battery died. Had to go under this silly tree. Somebody hit one of those rocks and bent a tie rod, got a flat tire. Now we can watch Chris squeeze under the tree. He's got a saw, but he don't want to use it. You got her now.
You been cold today? No.
Do you think he was a body man or something? Okay. Can't quite fix Dan Kaz's. He's got a. Oh. That's not gonna work. Just gotta get him back to the main road where you can drive to. It's not very far. Maybe it'll straighten out a bit. Maybe not. Yeah, it's not bad. Limping her back. I've had worse happen to me. Oh. A-frame or whatever you call it, lower suspension frame snapped in half. That was a nightmare.